Attach the vertical board support mounting tubes to the left and right vertical support tubes using spring lock as shown in Figure 1. Attach the vertical board support mounting tubes number 2 to the left and right vertical supporting tubes number 3 and 4 using spring lock as shown in Figure 1. Attach the angled top frame support tubes number 7 to the angled bottom frame support tubes number 8 using spring lock as shown in Figure 2. Attach the left and right horizontal frame brace tubes number 5 and 6 together using spring lock as shown in Figure 3.